Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosel, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Today we're going to give you a quick update on where we are post hurricane, post ice storm in Lake Charles, Louisiana, post snowstorm, believe it or not, and we're going to give you a look at my new cooking spot. I think it's unique. I love it. I love the concept. It's going to help us move forward with the channel, and we're going to give you a sneak peek on a couple of things we got coming this year in upcoming videos. Y'all stay tuned. This should be a good one. All right, fam. Real quick, as you can see, we got the privacy fence almost complete. And if you can remember, this time last year, there was an oak tree right there. And if you're new to the channel, we had an incident where a big limb, I woke up one morning to find one of the oak tree limbs laying in the middle of the yard. I had to take the chainsaw, cut it up. Me and mama had to load it on the trailer, take it to a dump site. It was just horrible. Then there was also an oak tree right there, and that oak tree had been attacked by something like some type of bugs or termites, and it was about to fall. As a matter of fact, we lost a limb, and it took out my neighbor's electrical line. So that is no longer with us. Then the hurricane came, we had a tree come down and take out the privacy fence. But me, my son-in-law, and I had a guy put up a small portion for me after I had had my surgery, but we got the privacy fence complete. And as a caveat, which I thought was a clever idea, but I think all my ideas are clever, I took some of my fence pickets that I had made my window protection out of. When we have a hurricane or bad weather, I always cover my windows, especially the ones in the front of the house and the ones to the east, and I use the pickets. So now, in order where I don't have to do this over and over again, I actually took my pickets and I'm going to put them on the ugly side of the fence. And as you can see, we put the pretty side of the fence toward us. Me and my wife always wonder, why does everybody put the pretty side toward the road? I paid for the fence. I want to see the pretty part, so we put the pretty part for us to see, and everybody else can see the ugly part. That's how we roll here at the Simpson house. All right, fam, enough of that. Here is what I wanted y'all to see. We're gonna be doing some Big Easy videos. I got my big smoker, charbroil Big Easy right here. I got both of my original charbroil Big Easies underneath my table. And if you watch my videos, you know about my table. It is a fish cleaning table, but I hook water to it. I use it doing my cooking and my barbecue. We got my barbecue pit right here underneath the black cover. Got a filing cabinet there that I keep some of my cookware in. Here is what I wanted y'all to see. This is my new cook arrangement. I took some of my fence. When I was building my fence, I stopped the one section right here at the corner of the house. We made ourselves a square. All that old fence is going to get replaced. I was just kind of playing around with that. I had also put my fence all the way here, and I was going to build a door. But what we decided to do is my shed that used to sit right there in that blank spot you see in the yard got destroyed during the hurricane. So it's going to get replaced. So we're going to put the shed right here. It's going to be the wall. One side of the shed will be right here where this fence is. So all this fencing is coming down, and that's going to be the wall. There'll either be a door or a drop down window right there. And then the door or the drop down window will access this cook area. We're going to use this for my barbecues, for family gatherings. And one reason I wanted to separate it from that area, that is Fitzgerald's area. When he takes his massive dumps and he does his plan and running around, he does it in that area. So we'll give him that area. And you'll still see him in future videos. For those of y'all who like seeing Fitzgerald, you'll still see him in my videos, but I won't have to worry about stepping in any poop, or if I don't want to be bothered with him at the moment, I can simply close this door, and I made the door short so he can see over it. Yeah, that's right, he can see over that door. And this would be just for me and my barbecue. The other thing we want to do back here is me and my grandsons like to tent camp. When grandma is working, me and the boys can still set up right here in this area, and we can tent camp. We have access to the sunroom. We have access to everything. If the boys get tired of tent camping, we can just go in the house and simply call it a night. But so this is my new setup. The shed should be here in approximately 2 weeks. The reason I'm sharing that with y'all now is I want y'all to be a part of the process. When the shed gets here, we're gonna record that. We're gonna record the setup. If it doesn't come the way I want it to, if the window, I can't remember which side I put the window on and which side I put the door on. There's going to be a garage door in the front, but I don't know if the door is gonna be on this side or the opposite side. So whichever side it is, we're probably gonna have my carpenter cut me one of those flip down windows, like if you were at a snow cone stand or you were at a hot dog stand and you got that window with the flip down door. So that's probably what we're gonna wind up doing with the shed. We will store my lawnmower in the shed. My pressure washer will be in the shed. My generators will be in the shed, but I'll have that quartered off about half. The other half will be for my cooking utensils, for my videos, and it'll be set up just for the channel. So this is gonna be my new setup. All this stuff, the excess stuff you see here will be gone. Some of this cookware, my hand trucks or trolley will be in the shed, and this will be next to the shed. So it'll be a much cleaner look when we get the channel going. We're gonna do our Big Easy videos. We're gonna do our, the Hot Logic videos will probably still be done inside, but we'll do the Big Easy videos out here. We'll do our cook, like our barbecue videos outside here in this area. So this is gonna be the new This and That cook area. I'm really excited about getting the shed. Like I said, it should be here in about 2 weeks. That's gonna be the wall. The front door, the garage door will be right here in front. There'll either be a door midway or a window, which will most likely, if it's the window, will be converted to a drop down, like a service window. So we can, oh, and I got some unique things coming with my propane tanks as well. I will have my propane tanks centrally located, and y'all stick around for a future video, and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna go about doing that. The propane tanks will be either in the shed or next to the shed covered, and I'll still be able to access without moving my propane tanks. I'll be able to do my cooks with my Big Easy from here and the one here, and I will never have to move my propane tanks. And I think I have a way where I can take the 2 propane tanks, tie them together 30 feet away, and still use them without moving them. So that's gonna be a good one. Y'all stick around for that video. That'll be coming in when the shed gets here, it'll be coming about a month after I get my shed. So y'all stick around for that one. Y'all also, we're gonna have some good video footage when we get the shed put in place. We're gonna take this fence down, and I'm gonna keep this filing cabinet. I forget what they call this filing cabinet, but I actually found this. There was a business, and they had gone out of business and left this next to a dumpster about 8 years ago. I put this in the back of my pickup truck, brought it home, and it was almost new, but now it's been sitting out in the weather since I lost my shed. It was inside my shed for years, but you can see I'm gonna be keeping my cookware and stuff in there. I got my Big Easy modified basket. I got my charcoal starter, my hot spot. I got some of my pellets in the top drawer. In the second drawer down, I got more pellets. I got charcoal. I got my, you know what I mean, my frying pan, my, darn it, had a brain fart, but I'll post it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And just in different odds and ends in the drawers beneath that. Like I said, all that junk will be gone. This will be for entertainment. I'm gonna get me and mama some new chairs, get us a nice outdoor table, get chairs for guests. I'll be closing that little area in right there. I just haven't got to that yet. I'll probably get rid of that rail for the rake so it'll go inside the shed. But this is going to be our new cooking area, family. I love the concept. We'll be able to use this for, like I said, me and my grandsons doing some tent camping, any new product testing that will be done right here in this area, or any cooked product testing will be done right here. And this is going to be our new, the only problem I have is like right now, this time of day is sunny, sunny, sunny. So I got to time it right when I'm doing a video. But other than that, oh, and one other thing that's coming, when I get the shed, I'm planning on doing an awning. I'm planning on either having an awning come off the shed, one of those big awnings that comes out about, I don't know, 12, 15 feet. And I also plan on putting an awning on this side of the house. So I'll have coverage this way out about 10 feet coming out this way. And then I'll have coverage coming this way about 10 feet. So that should give me enough shade because that is the west. My awning will be in the east. So I'll be able to do some really good morning videos with that amount of coverage. So we got some good things coming, fam. I just wanted to share that with y'all. I didn't drop a video last week because we got a lot of repairs going on in the house. I'll drop some footage and show y'all some of the things we got going on in the house. We got sheetrock going up. We're just recovering from the hurricane, and hurricane season is upon us again. In exactly 1 month will be hurricane season 2021, and we're just recovering from hurricane season 2020. But that's life here on the Gulf Coast, Louisiana. All right, fam. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update, share some of this stuff with y'all. I'm really excited about what we got going on here on the channel. That shed is going to be the key to the channel. When we get that shed, we'll be able to store our stuff right here, or I won't have to run around looking for anything when I'm ready to do a video, ready to do a cook. We can entertain in this spot. Me and the grandsons can do our camping in this spot. This is just gonna be awesome. All right, fam, I bored y'all enough. Y'all stay tuned. Next week, we got a really good video coming at y'all. I'm not gonna share it with you right now, but we got some big easy stuff coming because we're getting ready for the summer. We got some high logic videos coming. We got a new member to the This&Dat family. We got a couple of gadgets too that I bought that I think y'all are gonna find really interesting. So y'all make sure y'all tune in. We got them coming hot and heavy, folks. All right, fam. As usual, if y'all enjoyed this video, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here at This&Dat, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosel. Y'all take care. Have a great day, a great week, a great 2021. Stay tuned. Got some good stuff coming, peeps. Peace.